I'll leave you and the camera out here. Wait.
There's a reason for the way I've been hiding my face. There's a reason for the funny kind of way I've been acting lately. Sometimes I feel so heavy, I'm blind, I'm weak, I might be standing here, but my mind's on leave, I'm on my knees. Cause it's pulling me apart, dragging me down, it's a weight on my chest and I'm starting to drown. It's a nail in my coffin, a thorn in my side. God, if you hear me, then give me a sign.
It's absolutely phenomenal.
Phenomenal.